Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.2, Problem 3. This is Section 3.2, Problem 3. It says use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to make a true statement. And we have two numbers, 0.21 and 0.086. Now, in this particular problem, at a quick glance, the 86 looks bigger than 21, but it's not. And here's the reason why. To really determine which one is larger, what you need to do is start from the leftmost digit, make a comparison. If they match, keep moving one digit to the right. So the leftmost is 0, that matches, so we move one digit to the right. Now I'm comparing a 2 and a 0. Well, 2 is larger than 0, and at that point it doesn't matter what comes after it. The 2 is larger than 0, so the 0.21 is larger than the 0.086. So I want to choose the inequality symbol where the opening faces the larger value. So the opening must face the 0.21.